Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today we are unboxing the Crystal Council crystal box. Now this box is $36 a month. This is June's box. I'm removing the address label. This is June's box. So how it works is on between May 20th and May 25th, they take the $36 out. And then they ship your box. This is this box that I got, $36 box. They ship your box, and you normally get it around anywhere between the 5th and the 10th of the following month. So June's box is charged at the end, May 20th. And then I'll get charged on June 20th for July's box, so on and so forth. So it's called the Crystal Council. They have numerous boxes. Thecrystalcouncil.com. Numerous different sizes. This is just the basic one. So this is what she's looking like. Alright, so we got a sticker sending sunshine your way. Alright, so they give you a little card. It says Crystal Council June newsletter. Dear subscribers, sometimes the most meaningful moments are the ones we don't plan for. June encourages us to be present and say yes to new experiences and make room for a little more joy in our daily lives. Rather than focusing on what's next, this month reminds us to appreciate what's right in front of us. A simple conversation, a quiet moment, a new adventure may hold exactly what your spirit needs. Let June be a reminder that life is happening now, and there is beauty in fully embracing it. The Crystal Council. So the lunar events, they always put the lunar events on here, are June 20th, or June 29th is the full moon. The zodiac transitions is we're transitioning into Cancer on June 21st. All right. So now, with each box, you get a scroll explaining everything in your box. It usually has a wax seal on it, but my wax seal fell off and is in the box. This is what it looks like. And the wax seal is usually like that, and then the scroll wrapped around it. So let me get my glasses on. Now this box usually has 4 items. Sometimes you get a little bonus one, sometimes not. Now I'm not going to read you the top. I'm just going to, because that's personal to me. Because you answer a questionnaire in the beginning of the month for the following month of what kind of crystals. Based on your answers, they choose the crystals based on the answers of your survey. So, we're going for Desert Jasper. Which is going to be in here, I believe. Alright, so I'm trying to... Alright, this is Desert Jasper. And it's from Australia. Blends yellow jasper and red jasper, reflecting warm grounding energy of the land that it comes from. This stone supports strength, endurance, and emotional stability, helping you stay steady during periods of stress or change. There's more, but I'm going to keep it short. The next stone is seraphinite. Looks like that. That's pretty, isn't it? Pushes one into an accelerated growth cycle where your soul takes the lead instead of your mind and heart. Your soul is the true embodiment of your consciousness, and it will constantly show you your true desires. You will have a strengthened connection to your spirit, becoming more in touch with your true wants and needs. So that's this stone. All right, so then we get a little package. It's wrapped like that. Excuse me. This one is really taped. I should have like pre-opened these, but I like it to be a surprise, you know? And have you noticed, like, when you get boxes anymore, like, where do they get the tape that they use? I tape something and it just ravels off. They tape something and you need a forklift to get it off of there. Oh my goodness, look at that. All right, so this is Uruguayan amethyst. Whoops, sorry. Amethyst displays some of the deepest purple coloration and highest overall quality found anywhere in the world. So it's Uruguayan. Uruguayan. Its intense tone reflects a strong connection to intuition, mental clarity, and spiritual awareness. Supports calm focus and helps quiet scattered thoughts. Look how beautiful. Oh my god, look how large. Pretty. Loving that. So, alright, so we get the we have another bubble wrapped, which I love that because, oh, that's beautiful. Wow. Okay, look at that. Alright, can you see it? Yes. This is Kyocera, or Galaxy Rhyolite. Galaxy Rhyolite stone is a transformational stone that shares similar energies to all other rhyolite minerals. This crystal can help you realign your entire chakra system and puts a focus on your third eye and crown chakra. It will help raise your intuitive level while also allowing you to reimagine and recreate yourself at a very personal level. You may begin to notice yourself shedding daily habits or thoughts that no longer serve you. I know a lot of you get confused about how the crystals work. It's the energy on the crystal that affects your body, in my opinion. That's my own personal opinion. And they come from the earth, so there's that. So there's the 4 crystals, but I got something in here. A little surprise. Let's see. Because it's not on my scroll. Alright, where would it be? Okay. Like I said, taped up. Alright, there's the little box. Oh, selenite. I know it's selenite. It's a necklace. Let me see. Oh, on the back of the card. Selenite necklace, the ultimate stone for purifying energy. Look how that catches the light. Isn't that cool? Known as the Stone of White Light, selenite is cherished for its cleansing and uplifting energy. It helps clear stagnant energy, cleanse other crystals, and promote a sense of peace, clarity, and spiritual connection. Wear your necklace as a daily reminder to release negativity and invite light into your life. All right, so that's beautiful. One thing I will say, if you get this box and you wear this, do not wear this in the shower or go into the water. Selenite crumbles in the water. It is not to get wet. Wow, that's beautiful. It's like mesmerizing. Let me dim that down. Look at that. Nice. Anyway, so that was our Crystal Council box for the month of June. I hope you enjoyed this content. Please let me know what your favorite one was. I'm thinking the selenite and this. Well, I love them all. This is very beautiful. And that amethyst. Look at, they're all beautiful. So, anywho, until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.